Good morning, students. You're doing lesson 12, electricity and circuits. In this chapter, we are doing the topic conductors and insulators. Conductors and insulators, what are they? Materials which allow electricity through them are called conductors of electricity. Example, copper, aluminium, other metals, etc. That is why wires and all are made of metals like copper, aluminium. Materials which do not allow electric current to pass through them are called insulators. Example, plastic, rubber, etc. Conductors. We're going to talk about conductors first. Materials which allow electric current to pass through them are called conductors of electricity. Now, example, silver, copper, aluminium, iron, brass, graphite, human body, water, etc. Uses. Conductors are used to carry electricity. That is why electric wires are made of copper and aluminium. Some examples of conductors are copper, aluminium, platinum, gold, silver, water, people and animals, trees. Electricity will always take the shortest path to the ground. Your body is 60% water and that makes you a good conductor of electricity. If a power line has fallen on a tree and you touch the tree, you become the path or conductor to the ground and could get electrocuted. Now look at this video to explain you about conductors. Now this is the iron nail, two wires. It is being connected to two wires and you can see as soon as it is connected, the electric current is passing. That means the circuit is complete and the bulb is glowing. This shows that this iron nail is a conductor. The materials that allow electricity to pass are called conductors. That is why iron was now here water, graphite. You can see this, and this human beings too conduct electricity. They conduct electricity. That is why we make sure that the wires are covered with plastic or rubber. And also you can see these wires are covered with plastic so that people don't get electric current, and you can see these pliers are covered with plastic and also screwdriver so that electricians don't get current while fixing the wires. Next is insulators. Materials that do not allow electricity to pass through them are called insulators. Example, thermocol, air, rubber and plastics. Uses. Rubber and plastics are used for covering electric wires, plug tops, switches and other parts of the electrical appliances to prevent people from getting an electric shock. Some examples of insulators are glass, porcelain, plastic and rubber. The rubber or plastic on an electrical cord provides an insulator for the wires. By covering the wires, the electricity cannot go through the rubber and is forced to follow the path on the aluminum or copper wires. So that people, they don't get shock. That is why electric wires are all covered with an insulator. Now activity, this is an activity for you. Collect samples of different types of materials such as cork, coins, rubber, glass, keys, pins, plastic, wooden plastic scale, wooden block, pencil, lead, aluminum foil, candle, sewing needle, thermocol, paper and pencil, lead. This is on page 122 of your book. One by one, bring the free ends of the wires of your tester in contact with the two ends of the sample. Make sure the wires do not touch with each other. If they touch with each other, the circuit will be complete. You will not be able to know whether the thing you're testing is insulator or conductor. Does the bulb glow? In each case, find them out and you can write them on a table. Now this is table for conductors and insulators. It is on page 122. Here they have object used in place of the switch, then materials it is used of, and bulb glows yes or no. Now tell me key. Key is, what is it made of? Metal. And will the bulb glow? Yes, because it is a conductor. Eraser. What is eraser? A rubber. Rubber is an insulator, so the bulb will not glow. So we have written no. Now scale. Scale is made of plastic. Again, plastic is an insulator, so the bulb will not glow, and we have written no. Matchstick. Matchstick is made of wood. Again, wood is an insulator. The bulb will not glow. Now glass bangle is made of glass. It is an insulator, so the bulb will not glow. Iron nail is a metal and it will glow, so we have written yes, iron nail is a conductor. Now children, this is an experiment. Let us see the experiment we did in switches by attaching a safety pin. We will take out the safety pin and attach the objects and put the objects to check whether they are conductors or insulators. Here safety pin. We have taken the safety pin out. And now here there's a table in which the objects are marked. The first object, hairpin, pencil lead, eraser, plastic scale, matchstick, divider from geometric box, piece of paper, iron nail, piece of metal, bangle, piece of glass bangle, paper clip, piece of chalk. Now let us test. First we are taking is hairpin. Now hairpin, we are keeping it between the two drawing pins and the bulb is glowing. So what is it? It is a metal. Yes. Now we have taken pencil, lead, and we put it there. Again the bulb is glowing. So it is graphite. Yes. Eraser. We are putting it. The bulb is not glowing. It is an insulator. So rubber. No. The bulb is not glowing. Now plastic scale. Now we'll place a plastic scale. The bulb again is not glowing, so it is no over here. We will write plastic and no. Matchstick we will take next. Matchstick. The bulb is, we'll put the matchstick. Is the bulb glowing? No. So it is no. Now we have taken divider from geometry box. Now divider, we'll connect it with the other drawing pin. It is glowing. The bulb is glowing, you can see. That means it is a conductor. It is made of metal. Yes. Piece of paper we are taking. We've placed the piece of paper between drawing pins. It is not glowing. Paper, no. Iron nail. See, we have placed the iron nail between the drawing pins. And the bulb is glowing. That means it is made of iron, and it is, yes, the bulb is glowing. It is a conductor. Piece of metal bangle we have taken. Yes, because it is metal, so the bulb is glowing. It is a conductor. Piece of glass bangle we have taken. The bulb is not glowing, so it is no. It is a insulator. Paper clip we have taken. Now look over here, paper clip. We have put it between the two drawing pins. Yes, see, the bulb is glowing. So it is, yes, it is a conductor. Now piece of chalk you can take. See the piece of chalk. It is not, the bulb is not glowing, so it is an insulators. So the ones which are yes are all conductors, and the one which is no, the bulb did not glow, are all insulators. So we have tested all these objects. Now conclusion. We come to the conclusion that conductors and insulators are equally important for us. You have seen that they are very important, both of them together. They are important for us. Switches, electrical plugs, and sockets. What are they made of? Conductors. Now, on the other hand, insulators like rubber and plastics are used for covering electrical wires, plug tops, switches, and other parts of electrical appliances which people might touch. You can see these conductors are covered with insulators so that people don't get any shock. So they both are important for us. This is all in conductors and insulators. I hope you have understood. Thank you.